Hi, my name is Jay Hamilton. I am the co-founder of Impact 3 and Milk Road, a marketing agency and a tech media company. My overall experience with Ted and Mav was absolutely incredible. Truly one of the most fun workshops I've ever had, combined with also one of the most transformative workshops I've had in just 90 minutes. My team, everybody on my team was definitely impacted by Ted's energy and his inspiration, and then impacted by Mav's ability to take creativity, give a creative exercise, and then challenge my team to think outside the box and to work together and to communicate. All of this really led to stronger relationships in my team, something that as a founder of two companies with over 30 people working for us, we are constantly focused on building stronger relationships on our team, and this workshop really enabled us to do that. The other thing I think for this workshop was just the energy that myself and my team came away from. So many workshops are draining in their energy. I've done so many workshops in the past where you have to give so much of yourself and you come out of that workshop and you're drained and your battery is low. This was the opposite. No prep was necessary leading into this workshop. I didn't do anything to prep. My team didn't do anything to prep. We just showed up and we were guided through the workshop in a way where our energy was boosted. We all came out with more energy. I really noticed how much my team in the days following were elevated as a result of this workshop. I would 100% recommend this workshop to anybody that is building a team uh, of high achievers. Anybody that is focused on team building, that wants an opportunity to do something fun with your team, something engaging, something that boosts you guys, something inspiring, and also something that gives you some takeaways of how you can work differently together, particularly around communication and sharing perspective, listening, asking better questions, all things that come up every day in work. I hope you do this workshop because, yeah, it's truly transformative and an absolute game changer.